Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's SQL Server DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to stop and start database mirroring endpoints in SQL Server. In previous video, we have learned how to configure the mirroring in SQL Server. In this video, we are going to learn how to start and stop mirroring. So using T-SQL script, we will do that, and there is a learnings. What are the things we will learn in this database in this video? So status of the database mirroring, how to stop mirroring endpoints, mirroring status after the stopping mirroring, how to start mirroring endpoints, and status after the endpoint start. So let me open SQL Server Management Studio. Left side we have a primary principal database. Second side we have a mirror database. So database is already configured for the mirroring. You can refresh and you can see there is a option principal and synchronize. There also you can configure. There is a mirror, synchronize and restoring. So database mirroring video is previous video is database mirroring. So go through that video. This is quite easy, not that much difficult. So you can do the database mirroring. Now we need to know about the status of the database mirroring. So this is the status, principal and synchronize. And second, we want to know the endpoints. So go to the server object, and there is a endpoints inside the endpoint. There is the database mirroring. Inside the database mirroring, there is a endpoint is database mirroring. Now I want to go know the database endpoint. So right click on the database, go to the properties, go to the mirroring, and here you can see there is a principal server database endpoint, and this is a mirror server database endpoint. Here you can remove the mirroring, you can pause the mirroring also. So this database is running with the mirroring. So here you can synchronize, the database is fully synchronized. Okay, so you can refresh and you can check whatever the changes will be happen, it will show the status. So database is in synchronization mode, and this is my status. Now next is how to stop the mirroring endpoint. So this is the script. Let me copy that, and I'm going to paste that one. So alter endpoints mirroring stop. So I'm just running this one. So command completed successfully. Now you can check, refresh the database. This is a principal but disconnected. Okay, you can able to see principal but disconnected. This side also it will change. So previously this one is mirroring, synchronize and restoring. Right click on that and refresh. Mirror, there is a change to synchronize, change to disconnected in recovery, not in non-recovery state. This is in recovery. So in this way we can stop the endpoint. Now I am going to start the endpoint. So this the similar command, and there is a state is equal to started. So run that one. Command completed successfully, and this one previously disconnected. Now refresh. So started synchronizing. Right side also just go to, and this one synchronize and restoring mode. So in this video we have learned how to stop and start database mirroring endpoints in SQL Server with using the T-SQL script. This is the script, and here we have learned status of database mirroring, how to stop mirroring endpoints, mirroring status after the stopping mirroring, how to start mirroring endpoints, and there is a status after endpoint start. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.